Field values in the simplified loader data sheet must be entered according to the data type allowed for the field. Each field allows one of the following 5 data types. I will explain more about these data types in the demo. Click on the column headings in row number 3 to view the data type associated with a field. Clicking the column heading displays the cell tip containing the field data type and the field description. For the demo, I have put my cursor on cell E3. This displays the column data type as character. If I move to the next cell, the data type is date. The next column, header invoice amount, has a number data type. Similarly, the header pay alone flag field has the wire and end data type. The other method to view field data type is using the About sheet. Column D in the About sheet contains the field data type.